Hey guys, this is Tim. This is DEWALT's Weedeater trimmer cord. I started using this back in the summer and I'm very pleased with its performance and resistance to break. So let's take a closer look at it. Okay, this trimmer line for weed eaters is 0.080 inches in diameter. This particular roll comes in 225 feet and trust me, it'll last a long time. This particular line looks like it's made up of like 4 twisted lines all molded together, and it's made with cut resistant material. So if we take a closer look at it, you can kind of see that it appears to be like 4 resistant materials twisted together into one. That makes it a real high break resistant weed eater cord. As compared to the trimmer line that I've been using before, this appears to be one. To be honest with you, it breaks very frequent. I mean, I can get maybe 10, 20 feet out of it, and I'm having to tap the end of the weed eater to extend more out. This particular trimmer line, I've only used one trimmer head full this past summer, and it's really lasted a long time. Okay, to feed through the weed eater cord, you want to make sure these 2 white lines are in alignment with each other, and then feed it through as straight as possible until it comes out at the other side of the weed eater head. So once you get it fed through there, you want to get both ends of the weed eater cord straight. So you just run it through until you get both ends straight. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, then to wind it up, just have these on each end and hold the base of the weed eater head. And you don't want to rotate the top because it'll twist the cords up here on the outside of the weed eater head. So just hold the base of this, press down, and then wind the bottom of this head. Turn it counterclockwise. And so here you go. Okay, so let's try it out. So if you're looking for trimmer line that's very resistant in breakage and will last a good while, then I highly recommend the DEWALT Weedeater trimmer line.